Hey, so we made it to Catalina Island.
Yes.
No, day 1 of 3 or 4.
4 days, I guess.
That's true. 4 days and 3 nights.
Yeah, there you go.
We just ate at Maggie's Blue Rose, so it was pretty good. Mexican food.
That was really good.
What'd you try? The cow,
The lobster.
buffalo milk or something?
Oh, buffalo milk. Yeah, it's a cocktail. It was like aka and, Kahlua. All that stuff.
Uh-oh, I see tie-dye.
Oh.
It might be in there.
I like the blue one too.
Yeah. Well, we both should get one.
Yeah.
So we can be matching.
I know, you want one, so.
Ooh, funnel cakes. Little corgi. Oh, so cute. I want a corgi too now. Oh, I think this is where we come for the activity that we're doing tomorrow. Wow. There's a casino.
Yeah.
That's not really a casino. This whole time I thought it was.
Well,
So Gustavo, we came all the way to Catalina Island so you can get what?
I know where you're
going.
going.
What is that? Is that Dippin' Dots?
I never had Dippin' Dots.
Does it reach your expectations?
This will change everything about ice cream.
You know how old Dippin' Dots is?
It's going to might even beat gelato.
Okay, clearly there's something wrong with you right now.
It's good though. It's different for sure. It's like my tongue is so cold from it,
It's ice cream.
but it's even colder than ice cream. The lady was like ready to. She was like, "You have $5 in cash because it's a $10 minimum for a card." And I was like, "I have a $20 bill." She said, "Oh, that's perfect, but it's split in half." And she's like, "Okay, I guess I'll charge you with a card this one time. Like, no $10 minimum."
Uh-huh.
So it was nice.
So I didn't really say why we were here in Catalina. Why are we here, Gustavo?
To look at the island. It's beautiful.
Oh my god.
Why are we here though? Tell me. For our Valentine's Day and anniversary.
3-year anniversary tomorrow.
3-year
the 15th.
anniversary. I'm a typical guy. I would forget stuff like that.
You never forget. You're such a liar.
Well, I don't know. You were recording and I was like looking around this beautiful island we are on.
Uh-huh.
But not as beautiful as
Let's
you.
let's do more exploring. Oh, and my Polaroid camera's in the backpack. And we'll do more pictures this week, though.
Yeah. There's always more days to. We're here for 3 days. We're on this island for 3 days.
Let's see where the casino's at. Hopefully, one of these days we'll rent one of those golf carts.
Not this week?
Yeah, one of these days, I said.
Oh, one of these days.
Yes.
Okay. And drive around.
I can't get over how, pretty this place is. I want to retire here. I've decided. So we finally made it to the casino. Kind of a long walk. Here we are. Know what it smells like over here? Fish.
Fish. I love fish.
Can't take this kid nowhere.
She's gonna record me all the way there.
You're not going that far.
Yeah, I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I
So we're staying in the Hotel Atwater. It's really weird that this sink and that is right there. Let me see right here. I don't know what he's doing. It's taking him an hour to open. Oh, it's just the bathroom. Oh, it's fancy. Is it bright enough to finish my makeup? We'll find out. This is how you flush. Weird. What is this for? This is the shower, kind of small, but you know, one person is good.
Wait, what? Where's
The thermostat. Where's the what?
This is how you flush it?
Yeah.
Oh.
I just said that. Oh, there's a mirror right here. Hey, Gustavo. Go right there.
Uh-huh.
I see you.
Oh.
TV. Bed. Small room, but it's nice.
It's very nice.
And then here is our view. Probably where people live and stuff. Not bad. I mean, I wish I was ocean view, but I don't think you can get ocean view here. It's kind of in the middle of like a bunch of buildings. And there you have it. Hotel Atwater. Hey, so we're back in our hotel.
Mm-hmm.
We just had a wonderful, I can't even say it seriously, a wonderful Valentine's dinner. Okay, so, no, I actually only had Coke. But anyways, so we walked by this restaurant earlier in the day, and it was the one that I saw on Yelp. I was like, oh, let's go to it, because Italian, and I'm Italian, and I love Italian food, obviously. And I saw they had a $26 chicken parmesan. I was like, this gotta be good parmesan. It's $26, all right? So we get there. We were kind of worried that we need a reservation because it's Valentine's, but luckily we just walked right in. And I can't say this seriously. We could sit down, and they almost sat us down by the kitchen. And I'm like, oh, please, God, no, not the kitchen. Oh, Valentine's, obviously. I mean, you could tell by my heart headband that we're going to this dinner for Valentine's. Anyways, so here comes our server. I'm sorry, this guy, I could already tell he did not want to be there. Look, I've been there, dude. There's been plenty of days that I didn't want to be at the job I used to work at, but at least I pretended that I wanted to be there. Here, you say something because I can't stop laughing.
Oh, it was good food though.
Oh yeah, it's true.
It was good food. Well, it was good food. I had like some shrimp pasta. You had the chicken parm.
Yeah.
The chicken parm was pretty good.
Yeah, it came with this good. We actually they gave us the same pasta, but it was good.
No, overall the food was really great. It's just the server wasn't that great. I was just like, oh, whatever, you know.
He didn't want to be there.
He didn't want to be there. He didn't
like,
really. You could tell. He was like, hi. And I was like, hey, like, you guys want drinks now, or?
No, never. So, like, we didn't, you know how restaurants, they automatically want to know what you want to drink as soon as you sit down? Well, Gustavo, being a mixologist, aka bartender that he is, he always wants something special. But anyways, I just wanted a Coke because I was like, these drinks are too complicated for me. Anyways, so we get our food and everything, and I, like, just about as my meal started, I finished my Coke. So I was like, hey, he came over. I was like, hey, can I please have another Coke? Yeah, sure. 30 minutes, at least 30 minutes passed by. He's like, is there anything else guys can get you? And I'm like, that Coke that Coke I asked for, like, you know. he did, and then he still didn't bring it back for a while. And then, yeah, this lady gets set behind me, and she slams her chair into the back of mine. I'm like, okay, no apology, of course. And then the server, he ignored us for at least 30 minutes. I swear to God, we could not get his attention to
Get the check.
To get the check. And I'm like, what the hell? Like, what did we do to you? I'm sorry if my being there with someone I love bothered you so much. I don't know what to tell you.
Mm-hmm.
Don't work at a restaurant on Valentine's Day. Ask for the day off. And then he ignored us again when he finally gave us a check. And Gustavo had to go, the check, take it. And then he's like, I'll be right back. And I wanted to be like, oh, really? Would you be right back? Because I feel like you were ignoring us for this entire time. Oh, and then he didn't even give us refill on water. I'm sorry, but if I'm going to a restaurant and I'm paying $28 for his meal, $26 for my meal, I kind of expect you to refill my water. Like, at least offer it. It's common courtesy. I'm not complaining about the price. We've been to plenty of, decently priced places. This was just a shock to me. How bad the service was. Especially on Valentine's Day. What? And then at that point, I was like, I don't even want dessert. Let's go. So I leave, and my chair accidentally hit the girl that hit me originally. And she apparently, looked at me like, why'd you do that?
No. Well, by the time you left, she looked behind who it was.
Yeah.
And then I was just getting up.
Oh, okay.
And she must have thought it was me, but I was like, no, it wasn't me.
Well, she obviously didn't pay attention to who she hit the first, so. I mean, I didn't even know I hit her, so whatever. So, yeah, we had a great time arriving at Catalina Island. This is day 1. We have some adventures coming up the rest of the week. Probably do some separate videos for that. So, all right, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
My.